Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So this is going to be part one, and then I'm going to do a part two right after this. So you guys are going to see this hair makeup situation for two different Dollar Tree videos. So again, this is part one, so this is going to be a little more on the bigger side, and then we're going to do another one at the end. Well, in another upload. So I'm just gonna be pulling things out of the bag, just like a bag of tricks. I don't remember what I purchased from this trip, so this is gonna be a surprise for both of us. So if you want to see what I picked up from my Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. Alright, the first product I'm pulling out is a Sassy and Chic Shadow Switch Sponge. So yes, I definitely remember picking this up for good reason. I do own one. It's like somewhere behind me from the Dollar Tree, and it's been working really great. I also do purchase them from Shea. I purchased them, I don't know if I purchased one from Temu, but I really like having these around. It's just a shadow switch. Basically, it's just a little sponge on the inside. I'll show you guys right now. And you use it to remove any like excess shadow that's on your brush, and then you can just switch it, use another shadow, and do the same thing. So that's basically what this is for. This is how it looks in the little packaging. It's basically just a little like tin, and it does say eyeshadow switch sponge, change eyeshadow colors instantly from Sassy and Chic. And you also do get directions, care instructions on the back as well. This is so easy. You can definitely just wash it with soap just to get rid of any excess shadows or anything that's on there. There's a look at how that looks. It's basically just a little sponge you can use your brush on to remove any excess shadow. Let me show you guys the one that I own. Really beat up. I think this one was from Temu or somewhere. Honestly, I don't remember. But it's definitely different. This one is more on the spongy side, whereas this one has like little intertwined, like, you know, it looks like the shadows are really gonna come off with this one more than with this one because it is just a sponge kind of vibe. But yeah, there's a difference between the two. All right, let's see what else. I know I picked up a lot of nails, so I'm gonna put those to the side so we can talk about them together. I also did go ahead and last minute throw this in my cart. This is from Sassy and Chic as well, and this is their pod foot file. It says it contains one pod foot file, gently removes dry callous skin, leaving your feet looking great and feeling softer. So I just wanted to try this out and see my thoughts on it. Let me know if you've tried it before. What are your thoughts? I honestly obviously never tried this. It just looked intriguing. So yeah, let's take it out of the packaging and see how it really looks. Okay, this is how it's looking. So it does come with this part here. It's almost like you're grating your feet, like grating cheese. Ew. This connects together. It says gently press the pod foot file against the hard skin area, slowly sliding back and forth. Once you've achieved blah blah blah, use the supplied emery pad on the foot file to further smooth and finesse your skin. So I'm thinking you can are these like stickers? Okay, I'll definitely have to figure it out because I don't know what's going on here. Maybe you stick them down here, but you do get the little situation there. Let me know if you own this. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? Let me know in the comments. Next product I picked up is this brush. Honestly, looked really intriguing. I love trying out different hair brushes, so I went ahead and picked this up. It just says brush. Not sure who I don't know who the brand is from, but it basically has like a little hook on it. This is definitely one that you can use in the shower. That's what I'm gonna use it for, I'm thinking, because of the little hook. But it looks really intriguing. I definitely have to sanitize it. It has like kind of dirty, so I don't know who was touching this brush. But there's a look at that. Looks really intriguing. It is that like soft kind of material, like a soft plastic, but really cool. Definitely might just throw it in my shower just like as I'm shampooing, just kind of brushing through. It just looks perfect for that. So yeah, I went ahead and picked up this brush. Again, if you picked up any of these products before, let me know what's going on, what's happening in the comments below. So then we have the Be Pure 2-in-1 scrub and mask. So basically you get a cucumber exfoliating scrub on one side, and then a pink pink grapefruit clay mask on the other. So I saw this last minute as well. You know, that's basically what Dollar Tree is, like last minute throwing stuff in your cart so I can try it. That's basically what I do. And then there's a close-up look at that. Looks really intriguing. Again, a 2-in-1 kind of steps, and then it does give you directions on the back. Oh, this is something that my mom actually just gifted to me, and I randomly threw it in here. This is a Jergens Ultra Healing. It repairs and heals extra dry skin with vitamin C, E, and B5. Looks really interesting. She did go ahead and buy the big pack, and it came with this little mini. So yeah, I just went ahead and threw it in here, which honestly I might throw some on right now because girl, my skin stays dry. My hands and my arms tend to feel very like ashy vibes all the time. But my face is oily, so I'm like, what's going on here? Am I dry or am I oily? I just, you know. So I picked up 2 of the dark pink style. These don't really have any like specific names to them, but I picked up the dark pink, and then we also have the light pink set. So basically these are just glow in the dark nails supposedly, so we'll see if they actually work. I was planning on taking these to horror nights. I'm gonna go one more time after this, so I might throw them on before that, who knows, we'll see, and then I'll update you guys. We also have these, which are just one of my favorite nails. I purchased them recently and I really much enjoyed them. It looks like that. So these are the Bee Color Jelly Fashion nails, and these are their stiletto shape ones. These are just beautiful, and they comes with 12 pieces in one, so I picked up 2 so I can have the set. And these are just their pink jelly nails. Yeah, I just loved how they looked, so I just picked up some backups. Oh, I picked up more. So this is basically just something to have in the background. So this is the Barbie 12-piece press-on nails. These are so cute. They're not for my nails, girl. They're way too small, but I thought I'm gonna put them somewhere in the background because they are Barbie and they're so cute. So I did go ahead and pick up these nails as well. I picked up another face mask. Okay, so this is Bio Miracle Detox Collagen Face Mask. It says it has charcoal and seaweed. So it is it a face mask? Yeah. Okay, so this is one sheet mask, comes in here, and it's basically to detox your skin. You keep it on for about 20 minutes. I also saw this and I thought I want to try it out. So this is a Bee Color Biotin Infused Edge Wax. It has a lasting hold. It has Shea, and this is Shea butter scented. So yeah, I saw that they had a bunch of these and I decided, girl, let's try it out. It smells really nice. So I want to see like if I have my slick back hair or anything, if this will work for my hair type. So yeah, I went ahead and picked that up as well. Also have some White Rain Vital Energy Moisturizing Bar Soaps. So it does come with a 3-pack in here. I picked it up just to have as a backup kind of soap for myself, just in case we run out. But I usually go for Dove. But again, this is just a backup, or even just to wash our hands or whatever. So I picked up the 3-pack of that. I picked up some more cough gels or cough drops. I always have to have these on hands. Okay, what? I always have to have these on hand, in my purse, in my fanny pack, in my house, and everywhere. I love having cough drops whenever I'm feeling a little bit of a tickle. So I just love these just to have, I don't know, have a peace of mind kind of vibe. So I picked up these. These are the Free Gels cough drops, and they're meant to smooth sore throats. And it comes with 30 in here. And I am trying to like test out different ones so I can know which one I like more. Lastly, in this bag we have the Spa Luxury Coconut Milk Scented Body Lotion, just to have after I come out of the shower. Love having a body lotion to throw on. So this is very much on the milky side. It's not very hydrating or rich or heavy, not heavy but like thick. This is very much like a milk, like a body milk kind of vibe. So if you're into that, definitely check out the Spa Luxury lotions. But yeah, I went ahead and picked this up as well, and this was the last product for part 1. So if you want to see part 2, obviously subscribe, check out my channel. I do a lot of affordable beauty here, a lot of haul videos, a lot of full faces, everything. I did do a full face of new makeup today using some Hot Topic makeup, also some Sephora makeup. So if you want to see that, it's going to be linked down below if it's up already, but that's basically what's going on. So I'm going to film part 2 right after this. So if you want to see that, subscribe. Definitely let me know, do you own any of these products? Let me know how they work for you. Do you hate them? Do you love them? Let me know in the comments. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.